When advertising on YouTube, I know that making an authentic video with a clear call to action is the key to getting results.
Lady of Sons! Oh yeah, man. If you know you love this music, oh yeah, man, let's go.
Bye-bye, yeah.
People, let's talk. Let's not open the way tonight. Okay. ID Boys, let's go there. Let's visit ID Boys. Let's see what they have for us. ID Boys, for me, we cool. Hey, Spagones is Pachitu, Fiamani, oh, yeah. Ada, Oletu. ID Boys, oh, my easy, you. What are your posts? I know Kyoya, oh, Tokyo Yaname. Baba Kyoyaname, Kyoyana Nimao. Usano Kyoya, oh, Tokyo Yaname. Baba Kyoyaname, Kyoyana Nimao. Usano Kyoya, oh, Tokyo Yaname. Baba Kyoyaname, Kyoyana Nimao. Usano Kyoya, oh, Tokyo Yaname. Baba Kyoyaname, Kyoyana Nimao. Iyo, oya kumbe wako. Uturuga na wamera kona ni mayo. Eso yo jamo, eso yo jibu. Okay, now let's go there. Okay. Open after me now.
let's go there. Ojuku wa for Ojuku swear your me. Okay, I'll do my drink. A video now, guys. Kate ya. Ibu de gede beron ni mene. Iyi mage. Amen. Maika. Ya la ya mwe. Anu ki Joseph. Ibu de gede beron ni mene. Ibu de na ni yari ni na yedo. Is the last Ibu de. As a new one, young one. Adayo. O man, why will they go? Now they go on as they do. But I want one dog. Why you want to be? Eh, no, they will want dog. I think we'll need to ni ewa ka han yo do ara mo do ta de ogoro ta fi han ni agejo ta fi han of wa gbe o ni won na wo wa do iye na bia ba we wo we ra wona me odo ma gbe aje nu bia ba we wo we ra me odo ma gbe o ni mi ke na ra me o bi ra me odo ma gbe iwe wa pa bi o bi ra ga na bi o bi se wona me odo ma gbe o. Oh, I didn't love Vinamina from me to you. Joy, Egato, of Webu. Where we mudia wa biti ogugwa na ona wo ya ji why see you get me one social media people am ko ni pe won. Now let's go there. Let's go there. So like social media, so maye, you Now, first of all, we are going to diagnose this issue on YouTube. Immediately, it is 4:25. I'm going to be live on YouTube to diagnose the issue in a very different dimension. You understand? Secondly, I want to also talk to some people who's getting it totally wrong. You understand that way? I go more table back. I'm not going to Victoria waiting $1. Why damn it, maybe I don't know. Do you love me? To me good. I will by exactly 7 o'clock. I'll be a live interview with Gorilla Multimedia Company in Benin. You understand? Live interview with Gorilla Multimedia Company on Facebook. You understand? So my people, my beautiful people, according to Monokekero, any boom, no you be can't be on my big dinner. It didn't have with Vadino. I mean, I don't know done with social media now. Yeah, what this one one by one of your one is and do have your dawa. It did. So what we are cooking very soon done. And Levasiva, Salobo, team, where they get with social media and PC, we are still gaining peace on social media for some few months now. I will go. I see you. Now we must buy a cake and I will know we move social media. In an immuyon, yes, of food. Eto ya bano ya game and one muton rogue. So if I want to see somebody that still bringing fire, I want to bring more down on social media, I need to quickly talk to that person because where my own injection not good because I don't want to feel social media more injection here. Yeah, the any hand almost to your top by fire by thunder. You understand? Almost to your top. No gilare. No gibuga. Can't say where then. You know this when you know. Who do we out kill. Very well, so we don't who do we out kill. Carry one side in there. Or to the if you roba. If you be a guy, it time I will know the document sally carry away. Who had no yam no muga and all these document ban or a guy on the bullet boa. No, they are a cable. Apple laptop a va. Who the Apple laptop a va? Then we 5,000 euro buy. If you were Google not the 5,000 euro buy. You know where Google give me a carry no. Who the Apple laptop a va? Who the 5,000 euro buy? Understand? Me worry Facebook. Direct entry and one here book you hotel 10-star hotel. We are going to 10-star hotel. We are booking you. Understand? They know we space only 5K. When we go who go use zero no be. Who we space only 5K. Understand? Both home and abroad. We in Nigeria. We only 5K. Understand now? Before. Okay, me golden when I golden or when I say golden. That is the reason we're not like it's very plenty. You understand? I ain't able for. Yeah, you go away 7 days money for no ya more care. 7 days no ya more care. Right now, right away. Now, the last time, Nero, no, Stuttgart. You have to call me for the last time because why? He left in attack that he done when said, my brother, Nero, no, Stuttgart. You have to come in with immediate alacrity. You understand? When you have your kunoro, you have baby Charlie, kunoro, he has some bonnet, evidence and information, everything is entire. You understand now? My brother, he tied for the last time, he favor, he wait tied for the last time. You people did not come Baba with a smile. How come at this gun? Why you people? You lock up in our estimate in you or to one where injection and maybe that's the reason why I'm still saying it gradually. At the time I will open your page tomorrow, you will not like me again. Or be understanding man. So in Apollo for my picture away. So right now, right away, my beautiful people. Today is a sweet day. All the Paris people should have to go and queue, buy your tickets. I want to use this video to first of all thank all the Zion Ladies Club of Nigeria. All the Zion Ladies Club, the Zion Ladies Club. Zion Ladies Club. What? That's something I want to talk about Zion Ladies Club. The Zion Ladies Club. When we are moving, just tag me. Allah would have me. Working on be working on Masala. It go shock now. You understand? Why am I reading about this smile? If I see you do anything normal, I will still come here and discover you. But for the one when I do now, I see and say peace day. When I do in a very peaceful way. You understand? You are doing well, you are trying, you are doing well. In the field so as I say talk yesterday, may God bless you now. You understand? When I continue, when I show that love, I'm your moment. One thing you should know in this life, you can never please everybody. You can, no matter how good you are, you can never please everybody. You understand? Even ice cream man, as ice cream man, please everybody rich. There are some people that ice cream man can never please. There are some people that doesn't even like ice cream. You understand? So, Zion lady, we are ready to continue to do good. You understand? When they spread now good, not before only what do they call an Esther? They don't buy you not going to do good for. Now see they do gonna be really better club, better club. They spread their good. They give outsider. They go they give outsider joy to join the club. Not before the only the people were in the inside. You understand? So when they try, so I really happy with you people. First of all, not already boss code, not already shoot one bomb. No the bomb wanna shoot for this competition now. Una don't use money for it. Where Esther first attack. Una don't attack with with 2K euro. As he see 2K euro, he shot a lie. Esther, weak for such a I was shocked. You understand? I know say today, you not going to shock. You could just quiet, you know, go fit talk again because I know I'm going to do something. So all the Paris people, all night, yeah, do the Paris, I turn up, you understand? I press it also, I press it turns up, you understand? Next time, I don't buy you understand? Because who that way, I want my own Ameroji, you understand? So may God bless all of you now. Another big one where I see today, it shocked me. JJ Barry is bringing a dope Peking. He go shock now. JJ Barry is bringing, well, not a person. JJ Barry is bringing a dope Peking to Europe tour. He go shock now. October go bring smoke. October this year, he go bring smoke. Another person here, I just give him an expo. JJ Barry is bringing a dope Peking. Oh yeah, dope Peking. A dope Peking. Comedian, a dope Peking. He is bringing out. He go shock now. He feel so. So many more are still coming. So all those sarin, when they blow sarin, when I continue to blow sarin, because when I go to see the good go smell past now. My friend gonna say, not be joke, now reality. And these are what we want. Now waiting I want, now it happen. So, and I see they happen, and they give kudos to JJ Barry, and they give kudos to the Sinebagua. When I continue to do good things like this, they touch other people's life. You understand? Last time, I see my guy Twinkle for London. This time around, no, I want to see a dope Peking. You understand? So it just be, may God bless you now when they do all these good things. So may God richly bless you now. Man, don't forget to. Baba, with the smell, they find laptop. If I don't see my laptop, I don't see my man. Anytime can be 6 o'clock. If you don't buy my laptop for the social media, you go me there. You go me the laptop for the social media now. Hey, you know go better for all of us. And they want to wait for that one. So today we are going to talk about our beautiful sister, the two of our beautiful mother, our Iyenokwa of social media. Iyenokwa of social media. The two women we will get for Iyenokwa of social media. Mama Yeboy and Mama British of my car. Today, I'm going to go YouTube now. I don't carry my chair. And it's true, they go YouTube. Make I go talk, give them better advice. Especially British of my car and Lolo. You understand? I get special advice for them. And for some of our women, we did live video. We be live video presenters. When I go sit down, when I don't drink, because about the Spanish, they drink. When I go to diagnose words of wisdom, they give you. Because some of you now, don't forget when for the come. Social media not they make person decrease. Social media they give person more wisdom. You know why? Social media will give you more wisdom because you sit down for here. Thousands of people where you don't know from nowhere. They listen to you, they watch you. That is the reason why before you they come out on screen, you go first respect yourself, respect your home where you they come, then respect your brain where God give you. Till they bring words out of your mouth on this screen. Because the way when you bring come out, they be like egg. Once you knock your screen, gone, it does scatter. Before you go gather again, it is hard. This one, why I talk so now for everybody will be presenter. It feel me so our women, the kind of things what they do, I'll come out come advise you now today. And today now go be the last advice. Anytime you see me write people name come out, you know say na gbon. I will come out, come give you now. I go beg you now, I will give you now advice today. Anyhow the advice take on, I know my advice they hot. Anyhow the advice take on, don't take on personal. Take the good and leave the bad. Then you change from waiting and 1 minute and change from. But if you not change, you not go no say I don't know man, no way. My brain, they don't sell them for Libya. You understand? I go tell them I'm gonna ask they see the beat as we do here. You understand me now? You get me cool. So now so just be today I go use this video to thank all of you now when they follow, when they share. Make we not go share sickness. We cannot let you share sickness. Now good things we not go to share. And we're gonna use this video, share this video. Understand? And for the last time, all the Paris people, I beg you show love to Esther by every city, every country where Esther they go. They show a genuine love, they show a real love. So that the enemy will not give her joy. 2019. AKA Omono Keke no be name. I dey talk my Monica Ogunbo. It time my way I ban over here now. Just my joke. So that the Monica Haruage or have me a period every day, a period in the car. You understand? A period or is it with Pampers company we tell us or tell us when was soon that way. A Pampers when we are finished for how month when I can write dirty. As you go be. Because this year, I already wait for now where now you understand me? So we were better to go banya traffic lights. Hope you understand me now. When I will cameraman, cameraman, I move banning. Oh, you have me holding light. So I greet you now. So may not forget when I join me for YouTube right now. I'm going to talk about our women. When I join me, about talk about this. I hello, I 12 for one love.